Down the ride, this smoke gon' change your life, nigga. Don't worry about no lows, let's cruise. I wanna get high with you, smoking on the right pack, ashing out the window. We gon' let that time pass while we make life simple.
Ayy, too much drama chasing commas, I promise it's coming soon. To be honest, instead of dealing with logistics, I'd rather be up in the coupe taking hits, playing tunes, blazing this ship to the moon, puffing on green lights, pump the diesel, the fume got me hot box. How I'm keeping my cool in a drop top, can't stay away from the view. Pacing the payments, stressing about payment. Trust me, I hear what you saying. You gotta stay patient, pay attention to the strides you making. Don't be a victim of an undertaking. Question the lies of the system, ain't lending us wisdom, only led us to prison. Sick of this repetition, need to make a division incision. Take a slice at the tension, roll this one up in the kitchen, put the keys in the ignition. How am I already drifting? No jack but already lifted. Time to fight this piston, this is the shit you been missing. This is the reason we living. Only ass that I'm kissing is the joints that I already twisted, nigga. Ash ketchum, gotta get mine. Vision blur while we passing through street sign, ashing out the window, crossing state lines. I don't take time, nah, I make time. Our destination after this incline, but cruise on a war tour, stop by. I'm giving out high fives to the right guys that come down, gotta skydive. Watch them fall down from the high rise, and watch them crawl back with wide eyes. That's how you cultivate good vibes, and that's why we don't complicate good vibes. I'm living my life for the good times, I'm smoking a split for everything else. So if you come here with the bad vibes, you gotta stay away from me, ain't good for my health.